In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a 4K video from Adobe Premiere Pro with the best settings. We'll walk through the exact export workflow so you get a crisp, platform-ready MP4 without guesswork. Start inside your finished sequence. When you're ready to bake it out, open the export window by going to File, Export Media. If you like shortcuts, use Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac. This brings up all the controls we need in one place. First, set the format to H.264. This creates an MP4 file that's widely compatible, easy to share, and efficient in size while still looking great. It's the standard for platforms like YouTube, social, and most client deliveries, so you're covered in nearly every scenario. Next, choose a preset if you're exporting for YouTube in 4K. Pick YouTube 2160p 4K Ultra HD. It aligns with the platform's recommendations and sets a solid baseline automatically. If you're not targeting YouTube specifically, Match Source High Bitrate is a reliable alternative that keeps your frame size and frame rate consistent with the timeline. You can still fine-tune after choosing either preset. Before moving on, double-check your settings. Confirm that the frame size is 3840 by 2160 to keep it true 4K. Also make sure the frame rate matches your footage or your sequence, whether that's 23.976, 24, 25, 29.97, or 60. Matching avoids subtle motion issues like stutter or duplicate frames during playback. For bitrate, select VBR 2-pass and set your target between 60 and 80 megabits per second. 2-pass variable bitrate analyzes the video twice, distributing bits where they're most needed for sharper detail with fewer artifacts. If your edit has lots of fast motion, lean closer to 80 Mbps. For talking heads or simpler scenes, 60 Mbps typically looks fantastic. Keep in mind, 2-pass takes longer, but the quality improvement is worth it for final exports. Under the extra quality options, tick Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Maximum depth can help reduce banding and gradients, and maximum render quality improves scaling and fine edges. Both may add export time, but they help ensure the cleanest result. Finally, name your file clearly, choose a save location with enough free space, and click Export. Premiere will process your video using the settings you just dialed in. That's it, your 4K export will be ready to share, archive, or upload with professional grade quality and dependable compatibility.